Okay, this is one lap around the outer rim of the Nalley Brown Nature Park in somewhat beautiful Easley, South Carolina. I've only done this once before, but the whole thing can be done without getting off your bicycle. I'm on a 7-year-old Trek hybrid bicycle, so do not expect high performance or coolness. It's just me trying not to fall. Almost fell. Not pedaled in a while. This is the first time you really got to pedal. So there's some decent pumpage. I actually think there's more bumps on the Swamp Rabbit than this trail. I have found that you can't go too fast. I think you can pump all this. Sorry about the computer. Still pumping. Make sure you take a left right here. I mean, to go to the left side of the stairs is what I was trying to say. So the inner loop turns off right here to the left down these stairs. I did that, but it's no fun having to get off your bicycle. Oh, big hill. Not big hills per se, but it'll catch you off guard. A sharp turn. I think that's the last turn like that. Don't miss that turn. This is as gnarly as it gets. There's another little step up here that is about the same. There's sand on this side of the trail, so if you go too fast, you will wash out. Just stay to the right. That's all you gotta do. Stay to the right. Easy. It did wash out right up here the first time. I don't remember where. Looks like right there. Anyway, it's fun. This looks dangerous. No, that's where I washed out for sure. sliding on purpose, gaining some confidence.
Sorry.
No, it's quite all right. Thank you. That was it. My hands hurt, but I think I'd be a fool if I didn't do it again, so cool.